one thing that I want you guys to see is, one, understand what price is looking for. That is what you need to understand. You need to understand what price is looking for. So a clean chart, no annotations. What do you see? Can someone tell us what he sees here?
The high was taken.
Mm-hmm.
And the high of that, let's say second high was taken.
This one.
No, I'm talking. No, the other bearish candle. No, the bearish one.
This one.
Yes.
Nice. Okay.
Yes. That high was taken.
Mm-hmm.
So, and if price should come for the low of that that bearish candle and close inside, we might be going up.
That is very nice, very good. And honestly speaking, I didn't see this. Okay, like I didn't see this, but thanks for that. And now I saw something. Okay, this one is likely to be a single candle pattern. And today I was bullish. You know that I took a bullish trade today, and that was during London. And I did mention that New York is likely to do what? To accumulate. And I told you that I'll be focusing on this fair value gap during NY session. But what happened? Did price give me confirmation to look for buying opportunities at this point? No, there was no confirmation. So no confirmation, no entry. That's why price went down. Okay. And again, let's go back to interbank price delivery algorithm. Okay. With interbank price delivery algorithm, this is a consolidation followed by what? Manipulation. And then this is distribution. So having these two here, we have buy side liquidity taken, right? This is buy side liquidity taken. Overall, we are bullish. Weekly, we are bullish. So this is buy side liquidity taken first. And after this buy side liquidity was taken, we had this AMD, right? So this AMD is an indication that price is going down. So we have NFP tomorrow. And what I'm thinking is, this low should be taken. This is a low that I believe we are going to order pay at, or we are going to have our double page at, right? So number one thing, guys, is you need to understand why price is looking for that low. So higher time frame, what is resting? What does this low make on our higher time frame?
It's the daily fair value gap high.
Exactly. So this is a daily fair value gap high. Chances of this low being taken are very, very high. And I don't know if you guys were available during the afternoon. I did mention that, yes, I was bullish. I was thinking that, it's a bullish day. And as I was annotating earlier today, I did say I'm very suspicious that price might go back into this fair value gap before going up. Because I saw, and I wanted to see the way this candle reacts today. And having this candle failing to close above 1, 2 candles is an indication that price is willing to retrace back into this key level. And this is a key level that we can use to look for what? To look for buying opportunities tomorrow, if possible. So having this here, what do we need to see if price is going to go back? Yes, we have our higher time frame buyers. What do we need on lower time frame to sell back into this key level?
Can you repeat the question again?
What
Come again, please.
Okay, we have our next drawn liquidity. What do we need on lower time frame to see if indeed price is going back to this key level?
You want to see bullish PDRA failing, and I saw that you had an inversion early gap on the 1 hour.
Okay, let me mute this.
Some
Hold on. Okay, yes, continue, please.
what I'm saying is you want to see bullish PDRAs failing on the 1 hour using time frame alignment. And I saw that you had initially marked out an inversion fair value gap where price is most probably going to tag since it accumulated and manipulated as it took out that buy side and it left an inversion.
Exactly. So, loud and clear. What we need is self-program activation. How do we see if there was self-program activation? A bullish fair value gap failing, or that setup number one that we have been preaching ever since we started this mentorship. So, buy side was taken first, and then pay attention to this thing. It's a low here, and it's break of market structure to the downside. So having this here, I'm like, oh, okay. You need to talk to your chart. You need to talk to your chart. You need to understand what's going on. Okay. So this thing failing, this dealing range today, or was it yesterday? I told, oh, it's today. I told you that this is a dealing range that I'm willing to buy from, to look for buying opportunities from. And today I took a buy here, took my profits here. And it was like 400 and something USD, I'm not sure. And then that was enough. I collapsed everything here. And yes, during annual session, I was thinking of buying from this fair value gap, but there was no confirmation. Candles closing below this fair value gap, I had to ask myself, why is this thing failing? What do we have down here? What do we have that price can go for? And I was like, oh, this thing makes what? Our daily fair value gap. That is why this thing failed. I think it's an indication that price is gonna go back into what? Into this fair value gap. Okay. Can price go back into this thing? Chances are very slim. Why? Hey, yes, price can go back here, but I think chances of price going back into this key level are very, very, very slim. Why? Because we have this redelivered, rebalanced PDRA here. Remember that when you have a redelivered, a PDRA resting above our redelivered is likely to be left open. So we have this. So I have my eyes or my eye on this redelivered, rebalanced PDRA here. Now, I'm going to use something good. Okay. Yes. Oh gosh, I don't want very much. Yeah, I want a colorful chart. Okay, so I have my eyes on this thing here. So because I know where price is going, now you need to look for something that is going to push price towards your next draw on liquidity, which is the slope. Buy side was taken. We are anticipating double peg, right? So expectation is to sell from this point. Yes, I'm thinking of selling from this point, but it's possible for price away trigger this thing before taking this thing. Okay, fine. If it happens that price takes out this low before taking this fair value gap, this fair value gap is no longer valid for now. Okay, it's no longer valid because the higher time frame key level is tagged. But I think it's gonna get tagged, this thing here. You have to ask yourself a question. Why is price taking this low? A fair value gap is resting below this low. That's why there's likely to be double patch. That is why we are likely to have double patch, because we have a low resting, we have a daily fair value gap here. Are we together, guys?
Yes, we are together, sir.
Okay.